Unlocking the phrase, time to buckle down, a guide to mastering your goals. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and useful phrase, time to buckle down. This expression is a key to understanding how English speakers talk about getting serious about their work or studies. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's important for you to know. Time to buckle down is an idiomatic expression used to indicate that it's time to start working hard or to become serious about achieving something. The phrase suggests putting in effort, concentration, and dedication to meet a goal or complete a task. It's often used when someone needs to focus and eliminate distractions to accomplish something important. The origins of buckle down are thought to be related to the idea of buckling one's belt tighter, which implies getting ready or preparing for hard work. Historically, it meant to secure oneself for action, much like a soldier might buckle their armor before battle. This expression has evolved to be used more figuratively in modern times, signaling the start of serious effort rather than physical preparation. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from academic to professional settings. For example, in school, with exams coming up next month, it's time to buckle down and study. At work, we have a big project deadline approaching. It's time to buckle down and finish strong. Personal goals. I want to run a marathon by the end of the year, so it's time to buckle down and train. It's a versatile phrase that can motivate yourself or others to focus and put in the necessary work to achieve something significant. Let's look at some examples to see how it can be naturally incorporated into conversation. After a summer of fun, it's time to buckle down and focus on my studies. The competition is next week, so it's time for the team to buckle down and practice harder than ever. I've been procrastinating on writing my book, but now it's time to buckle down and write a chapter every day. Understanding and using the phrase, time to buckle down, can help you express the need for serious effort and dedication, whether it's your personal goal or collective task. It's a motivational call to action that's widely recognized and appreciated in English-speaking environments. We hope this explanation helps you grasp the essence of the phrase and encourages you to use it confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is also a perfect scenario to buckle down and immerse yourself fully. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.